Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and here I am with something very different today. Yes, as I promised, today I'll be showing you a very delicious keto Indian dessert. It's everyone's absolute favorite and it's a keto Kalakand or a keto Sandesh. Try this at home. This is the best keto dessert I have ever tried out, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So before starting, if you like my videos, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have taken 200 grams of paneer. Mine is the packed one. You can use the fresh paneer as well. And you can see I have also taken 3 to 4 whole cardamoms as well on the plate. The next I have taken 50 grams of unsalted butter. And here I have taken 50 grams of erythritol. Fourth, I have 150 grams of fresh cream. And lastly, here I have divided 200 ml of almond milk into two parts. I have added a pinch of saffron or kesar in a part, and I have kept the other one as is. And here you can see I have taken edible rose water for flavor. So these are all the ingredients you need, and now let's get started. Here you can see I have put the butter first on a heated pan. I will just let it melt down totally, and then I will add the fresh cream into it. So here I'm adding the fresh cream, and once you have added the fresh cream, you have to mix it really well so that the butter doesn't float around. You have to mix both of them really well until everything turns into a thick cream. You can see how creamy it has turned now. There's no butter floating around. It's just nice and thick. Then I'll just add the cardamoms in it and we'll mix it really well once more. Now I'm just pouring down the erythritol in it for sweetness, and you just need to give it a real good mix now to break down all the clumps and to turn it into a very smooth cream. Now it's time to smash the paneer. You can use a spoon, but it works best with hands. Just sanitize or wash your hands well before doing this. And when the consistency of the cream turns a bit thicker like this, as you can see here, at this point I will add the smashed paneer and then the saffron added almond milk one after another, and now I'll just give it a good mix. Once it's mixed very well, I'll just add the other half of the almond milk to it and once again just mix it well. Now just let it shimmer for a few minutes. Then add a teaspoon or two of rose water depending on how strong you want the flavor to be. Adding this much of rose water will give you a very mild flavor. So it's almost done. Now I have just poured it into a tray and will let it set in a refrigerator for 1 or 2 hours. and after 1 or 2 hours I'll just take it out and cut it into pieces, and then we'll again put it back into the refrigerator overnight to harden the pieces. And in the morning when you take it out, you will get such delicious rich keto kalakand that will just melt down into your mouth. I swear guys, you will love it once you try this at home. And please let me know how this turned out for you. If you try this out at home, don't forget to tag Sugar Hugs on Instagram and Facebook. I will link all my social media accounts down in the description box for you. I have also uploaded few more keto recipes on my channel. I'm linking them on the screen in case you have missed them out. Hope to see you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.